YouTube Video SEO, Part 1. Client Question. And Seller of Client Satisfaction Answer. 1. How can you optimize my video for SEO on YouTube? I will conduct thorough keyword research, optimize video title, description, and tags, and employ best practices to enhance search visibility. Additionally, I'll suggest compelling thumbnails and engage viewers with relevant content. 2. What is your approach to increasing video views? I will implement strategies like promoting on social media, leveraging relevant keywords, creating attention-grabbing thumbnails, and optimizing video content for viewer retention. 3. How do you plan to target my specific audience? I'll identify your target audience, tailor video content to their interests, use targeted keywords, and engage with viewers through comments and community interactions. 4. Can you help with YouTube algorithm changes? Absolutely, I stay updated on algorithm changes. I adapt strategies to align with YouTube's latest updates, ensuring your videos remain optimized for visibility and search ranking. 5. What metrics will you provide to measure success? I'll provide detailed analytics including views, watch time, click-through rate, and subscriber growth. These metrics will help assess the effectiveness of our SEO strategies. 6. How do you handle negative comments or feedback? I'll monitor and address negative comments professionally, fostering a positive community. Turning negative feedback into an opportunity for improvement and engagement is a priority. 7. How do you plan to optimize my video for mobile users? I'll ensure your video is formatted for mobile devices, use mobile-friendly thumbnails, and optimize content for smaller screens to enhance the mobile viewing experience. 8. What is your strategy for creating shareable content? I'll focus on creating engaging and shareable content, incorporating trends, and encouraging viewers to share by adding social sharing prompts and calls to action in the video. 9. How will you keep up with industry trends on YouTube? I regularly follow YouTube and industry updates, attend conferences, and participate in relevant communities to stay informed about the latest trends and best practices. 10. Can you provide examples of successful YouTube campaigns you've worked on? Certainly, I can share case studies or examples of past successful campaigns, showcasing the impact of my strategies on video views, engagement, and channel growth. 11. How do you handle copyright and fair use concerns in video content? I am well versed in YouTube's copyright policies and fair use principles. I ensure that all content is either original or used within legal guidelines to avoid copyright issues and disputes. 12. What is your approach to collaborating with influencers or other creators? I'll identify potential collaborations, reach out to relevant influencers, and create mutually beneficial partnerships to expand your audience and enhance the overall visibility of your channel. 13. How often will you provide updates on the performance of my YouTube channel? I'll provide regular performance reports, typically on a monthly basis, detailing key metrics, progress, and insights. Open communication is crucial for transparency and campaign adjustments. 14. What strategies do you use for video promotion outside of YouTube? I utilize social media platforms, email newsletters, and other relevant channels to promote your videos, increasing overall visibility and driving traffic from various sources to your YouTube channel. 15. How will you optimize my channel for long-term growth? I'll implement sustainable strategies, including audience retention analysis, continuous content improvement, and adapting to algorithm changes, to ensure consistent, long-term growth for your YouTube channel. Please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching, Digital Brand.